Hey, Scott Young here. Glad you joined me today. I hope you're doing well. And if you're watching this video, you're probably doing some research about how you can join affiliate marketing and start making some money. Well, the good news is it's really easy and it only takes a few minutes to really get started and join affiliate marketing. So I'm going to explain that in detail in this video. All right, so the biggest affiliate marketplace is called Clickbank. And they've got hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of products across lots of niches and industries that you could choose from to promote products that are on that site. Now, it may not be the best affiliate site, people would disagree, but it is the biggest, so it's got a lot of availability of products. And it's also super easy to join. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to walk you through the process of signing up for Clickbank and show you how it only takes 2 or 3 minutes, and then you'll get the link, your customized, personalized link that you could share out there. And when people click that link and buy a product that you're promoting, you will get paid. And so it's super easy. So let's jump on here and do this. So first, we're going to go to Clickbank. Clickbank. All right. Now we're just going to come over here to the right. I don't know if you could see that, but there's a blue sign up button here. We're going to click that. We're going to come down here and we are going to put in our name. And we are going to put in our phone number. Oops, let's see. I find you have to put the +1, otherwise it messes up. All right. And we're going to put in the email address that we want associated with this Clickbank account. And then we'll put in our password. Now, the password's a little more complicated than usual because you've got to have 2 lowercase, 2 uppercase, 2 numbers, and 2 special characters. So just remember that when you're doing this. And I will put in the one that I like there. Now, look, you could move on, but you cannot click this grayed out box until you actually look at the terms and conditions. Okay, so we need to click this blue button. It's going to bring up this other box here with all the boilerplate stuff that everybody has to agree to use Clickbank. Read through it if you'd like, or if you don't care to adhere to those, maybe try a different site. But Clickbank is the biggest, and this is pretty standard stuff. So we're going to accept the terms here, and you can see that this is now checked, and you can now join Clickbank, and we'll click that, and hopefully it'll send us through to the next page. All right, now the next page here, they've got a couple little upsells, but no need to bother with these right now. You could just say, no, I got this on my own, and then they want you to join a Facebook group, which you're welcome to do, but I'm going to skip that right now so we can show how quick and easy this is. So I've skipped that. Now the next step here is that this other pop-up box comes up here, and this might be a little confusing because everybody's computer is a little different. It's some legal information about things that you can and cannot do, and it's a little confusing, but basically just like the terms and conditions, you got to hit the blue box. Now on my browser, when I hit the blue box, it actually takes me to another page, and it gives me an issue because I'm using incognito mode and it doesn't like that. So that's okay. All I have to do now is hit the back button, and it takes me right back to the dashboard where we were going to be if we had successfully downloaded that document that they wanted. Okay, so easy enough. Now, we need to go to the next step, which is to complete the profile. You're almost there. We're halfway there. So they've got our name in there. They've got our email address. You don't need a recovery email. They've got our phone number. I'm going to put in my street address here. Let me see what else they're going to need from this. Okay, so we're going to put in the street address here, and I've got that saved in my Chrome, so that's pretty quick and easy. All right, now the next thing they have is your tax ID. Now, you're going to be making money here, so you actually do need to put in a tax ID because this is a real business. Once you start making money, the taxing authorities are going to need to get their taxes. So I'm going to put mine in here, and I'm going to block it out just for safety reasons. And then you're going to say, I want to sell digital products. Of course, you could sell anything you want, but when you're starting out, digital products are the best because they are basically 100% profit, and they're super easy to sell. And then you just put your revenue, of course, at 0 to 25,000, and then you are ready to hit save. Now, you have to hit save here in order to get to the next step. You could do it later if you need to, but you can't get your links if you do that. So we're going to hit save here. And now the next thing that's going to happen, they say your profile has been saved successfully, and that's all good, but just give it a minute here, because what they're going to want you to do is now sign in with that new username and password that you created. It's just kind of, they want to make sure that you know what you did. So let's put that in here. And then we'll put in that password that hopefully you had saved down, and we'll hit log in. Now, this should take us to the final step here. We're getting close. All right. Now, once you come to the full dashboard, you are going to need to find something that says create your account nickname. It's right here. It should be the first thing you see, because even though you signed up for an account, right? Lots of people are going to promote in different niches, different industries, and you can have different nicknames within Clickbank for the different activities that you're going to be doing. So that's why they want you to create a new nickname, and you can create 2, 3, 10, or 20. So we're going to create the account nickname, which you'll see why we need that in just a minute. And now we're going to click account, and we're going to say we are an affiliate who is promoting products, okay? Because we're going to promote other people's products. And the nickname, you can pick, pretty much anything. I think they've got some specifications, but I like to do something like ID, let's say 789. It's kind of a simple type of thing, ID 789. And it says the name is available. So we'll sign up with that. And it says it's created successfully, and you are good to go. Now, you want to start selling. You want to start promoting a product to your traffic sources, right? You're ready to make money. So what you would do is you come over to the side menu here, and you'd find the affiliate marketplace. They don't really spell it out too clearly there, but it looks like a little storefront. So you click that, and that's going to open up a new tab, and it's going to take you to the marketplace. Now you are logged in here, so they know who you are, and everything is good. And we're going to go down. Let's just say we are in health and fitness, right? And we come down here, and let's just pick the first one. This is Exipure. I don't know how to pronounce that. And so this is a product that people are making an average of $149 per conversion. Now, let's say you've investigated this product, you love it, you think it's going to be great for your traffic sources. All you have to do is click this promote button right here, and this pop-up will come up, and you put that account nickname, which we just created, ID 789, okay? And that's your specific account name in your account. And once you click that, it will immediately create what's called a hop link. Now, this hop link here is the actual link that when people click on that and go to the offer page of this product, if they purchase using this link, you will get a commission. You will get paid. So you want to copy this link. And you can always come back and get it again, no problem. Or I like to save it in a spreadsheet of the different products that I'm promoting, so I can quickly access them and put them in the various places I use them. So for example, so you got this hop link here, right? So let's say I open up a new tab and I paste that hop link in there, and that is embedded with my Clickbank ID. When I click that, it's going to take me to the sales page, the sales offer page of this product, and this is what your traffic sources are going to see. Oh, okay, this is a great supplement. This is going to help me in my health needs. And if they order right here, you are going to get the commission. Okay, so it's an amazingly quick and easy way to get started with affiliate marketing. And there's hundreds and hundreds of products on Clickbank that you could choose from. Now, let me just say a quick thing about a sales funnel, because when you have traffic sources, you're going to want to send them through a sales funnel first. So I'm going to give you a quick rundown of what a sales funnel is. So the first part of a sales funnel is a capture page, which is just one little page, and you've seen these before, where you collect people's email addresses so that you could email them valuable information and the offer that you're making to them. So a capture page you can make on places like ClickFunnels, and there's a bunch of different ones that you can use, but you just type in landing page builder and you'll find tons of them. So once you get people on your landing page and they put in the email address, they will then go into an autoresponder. So you're going to want to look up autoresponders like GetResponse or Aweber. And once that email address is in your email autoresponder. That's like a database of all your leads' email addresses. And then from there, you can automatically send them emails that are filled with valuable information that are teaching them, giving them tips, giving them hacks, giving them all sorts of information. And then within those emails that you're automatically sending, you will also let them know about the product that you're recommending. In this case, it could be this Exipure type of thing, and you just say, hey, by the way, I use Exipure to help me with my health needs, and you should try it too. No hard selling or anything like that, but just let them know what you're doing, what's worked for you. So if you want to find out, for example, what I use to learn all this stuff and what really helped me get going on my journey to a six-figure income, I put the link of my affiliate right below this video here in the description, and you could check it out and see what a really good affiliate product looks like. And you might want to join it yourself. It's totally up to you, no pressure, but check it out and see what you think. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if it was good, or if it wasn't good, let me know in the comments how I can improve. And subscribe to my channel and get some more really good information coming at you. All right, appreciate it. Take care.